Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have 3 different things that need to be charged every night when I go to bed. And that's a lot of cords to remember if you travel, and that's a lot of mess on the side of your bed. Well, this foldable 3-in-1 charging station has solved all of that for me. It's one thing to plug in, and it charges my phone, my watch, and my earbuds. I travel a lot, so I only have to bring this with me, and it's just one thing to get plugged in by the side of the bed at any hotel I'm at. So if plugs are rare, I don't have to worry about plugging in 3 different things. I don't have to bring 3 different cords with me. This is sleek, takes up very little space, and it gets the job done. I'm very pleased with how it works and how it looks. So whether it's sitting by my bed at home or whether I'm taking it with me when I travel, this is not something I leave behind. I absolutely always take this with me. I am so pleased with how well it works, how good it looks, and what little space it takes up. So if you are tired of dragging cords with you wherever you go or plugging a ton of things on the side of your bed, this is one device, one thing to plug in that's going to charge all 3 of your devices, your phone, your watch, and your earbuds. It was absolutely a problem solver for me, and I'm very pleased with it. And that is my point of view.